This factory handles the entire tobacco process under one controlled system.
Here, the tobacco crop is cultivated by hands that fuel a global industry.
Now, the tobacco harvest begins. A vital step behind a global industry. Cut leaves are carefully loaded for the next stage of processing and trade. Workers unload tobacco leaves per dance. The journey from field now enters industry. The specialized light reveals the intricate veins and texture, critical for our moisture and color analysis. Leaves enter the separator quadrant, where moisture and dryness define the next path. The pressed leaf blocks are sliced into precise pieces as they continue toward the next stage of production.
The dried strands are cut again, reduced into ultra-fine particles, ready for blending. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe for more industrial documentaries.
A continuous sheet of white paper moves forward, prepared for the cigarette forming line. The wide paper sheet is cut into precise strips, ready for the rolling stage ahead.
Each strip is cut to size and rolled into a perfect hollow tube for filling. Each hollow tube receives a filter tip, compressed and locked in place with precise mechanical force. The hollow tubes move into the filling unit, where fine tobacco is packed evenly inside each one. The finished cigarettes are neatly arranged and placed into boxes through an automated packing system. Each group of boxed cigarettes is collected and loaded into larger cartons for final shipment.
The filled cartons are sealed securely, prepared for handling and distribution. The sealed cartons are stacked in perfect order, forming stable pallets ready for transport. Each stacked pallet is wrapped tightly, ensuring safe and stable transport during long-distance shipping. The secured pallets are moved into the warehouse, organized carefully for long-term storage.
And this is the complete process of how these products are made from start to finish.